So this pile right here is almost half the size as it was 30 minutes ago, because I got this beast going on. Got this beast Woodmaxx WM-8H. It's actually on right now. I'm gonna stop that for a second. But yeah, I got it hooked up to my Kubota. I had some reservations about it, but it's going all right. That's just half of that pile. Just that little tiny chip, but belts are going pretty straight. Got it hooked up with this pads hooks, but making quick work of it. Ain't no wood in it. I'm gonna duck under it just in case. But yeah, this thing's a beast. So let's put something in there. Let's put this long branch right in here. Oh! I should back up when I do this. Yeah, making quick work of that. This pile will be empty, and then that trailer is going to come up here. So I'm going to make quick work of this. It's kind of a mix of pine and cedar and just some other trees. Some other little trees I cut down, but it's for as many trees as I've already chipped up. That sure is a small pile, but I've got a whole forest. So anyway, I just wanted to kind of show that. So that's pretty damn cool.